Hi, I'm Coyle, principal of the Coyle Group. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to talk about a producer position we're looking to fill. But let me start with some discovery work I did in advance of this video. Several weeks ago, I asked on different forums what would or what has caused producers to leave one agency for another. And what I heard were complaints about agency's leadership, such as the agency owners weren't good leaders. They didn't spend enough time showing producers how to be successful. Training wasn't sufficient, or it was really outdated. Digital marketing really wasn't in place. It didn't exist. Owners were downright punitive in their approach to driving results, and sales metrics were often measuring the wrong things, and so on. The complaints all pointed to a breakdown in relationships between agency principals and the sales team. So I asked myself, what could I do to avoid that leadership gap, but more importantly, offer producers a home where they can be highly successful? And what I came up with, I think, is a phenomenal opportunity for the right candidates. Why? Because it blends the best traditional and not so traditional sales strategies and processes into a unique powerhouse strategy that removes a lot of friction and gets more sales done. It harnesses the power of digital marketing, personal branding, and video to create higher response rates and close rates, greater geographic reach while improving sales effectiveness. Here are some of what we have to offer. Let me know if any of this resonates with you. The first thing is a collaborative work environment where goals are mutually agreed upon, measured, and discussed weekly in a positive and encouraging manner. Number two is expertise. With over 40 years of experience in commercial insurance, there really aren't any issues, problems, or situations I haven't encountered or haven't been able to fix. You have access to my expertise and skill at explaining complex issues and problems so that you can close more complex, larger deals. Number three are tools. Yep, we have the basic tools like a great support team, a marketing placement specialist, all the markets, and a CRM. But we also have risk management tools we've learned and developed over time. If there's something that we don't have, we'll either build it or get it to enhance the client experience and close more deals. Number four, 100% remote work. This can be a good thing or a not so good thing depending on your personality. If you need to report to an office every day and be around other producers, I get it. But we're 100% virtual, and by using Teams, Zoom, and the phone, we stay in touch and we build that sense of community when you need it. I think this helps promote a good work-life balance, which is what's important here. Number five, lastly, I'm a third-generation owner of this firm that was started by my grandfather in 1929. We've got a long and distinguished history behind us, and I think that the values we've built over that time have served us and our clients well. We have high scores from our clients on the service we provide, and our client retention rates prove that. Now that I've given you a sense of what I have to offer, let me share what we're looking for. The first thing is proven success. At this time, I'm not looking for a newbie. I'm looking for a producer who can prove their success and is looking for personal growth potential. If you can't validate or cut it at another agency, this position is not going to be a good fit. Success must be proven. Number two, commercial only. We're a commercial only shop and we don't get involved in personal lines, life, or benefits. The producers we're looking for are sharply focused exclusively on commercial lines. The more complex, the better. Number three, producers who enjoy cold calling. We're not looking for producers that are call adverse. Cold calling is a necessary part of this business, and we can't fool ourselves that mediocre call performance is acceptable. It just isn't. If you don't enjoy cold outreach, this probably isn't a good fit either. Number four, moral compass. This is a quality that's hard to wrap your arms around, but we have some basic rules here. If it's not good for the client, if it's not good for the agency, and if it's not good for our underwriting partner, then it's a no-go. We want to work with producers with a good moral compass. They know their true north settings, they come with batteries installed, and they want to do the right thing every time. Number five, grit. Most of all, we're looking for producers that are physically and mentally fit, who love a challenge and love doing hard things. People who can run the gauntlet and push through difficult, straining, and challenging times and issues. In short, we only want to hire people with grit. Again, very difficult for an employer to ultimately measure, but you need to ask yourself if you have the chops to work here and break through your plateaus. So there you have it. Do you think this is a good opportunity for you? Do you think you measure up? If you do, then let's find some time to chat. Send me an email and I'll send you a link to my calendar so we can find a good time for a call. My info is in the description box below and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.